Hi friends, which wire can carry a higher current? 1. Solid wire, B. Standard wire. I will go with standard wire. My option is standard wire. Why? Because for we have to study first of all about skin effect. What is the skin effect? The tendency of alternating current to flow mostly near the outer surface of an electric conductor is known as skin effect. Skin effect means if you are take a solid wire, in that solid wire the tendency of current means flow of electrons, flow of electrons current means flow of electrons. The tendency of flow of electrons in the solid wire is like this. Only they will go flow in outer surface area, only outer surface area. Here full empty, nothing is there. This is also conductor part. This is a conductor part, but here no electrons are tendency to go in this place. Only they are concentrating on outer surface of the conductor. So that's why in this solid wire the electrons will flow very less compared to standard wire. In that standard wire they will make small pieces like this. This is standard wire. So in this standard wire every part take it separately, every part will have the separate surface. So electrons are tendency to flow in outer surface. So every part had a separate surface. That's why the electrons flow will more in standard wire compared to solid wire. So every cables are preferred to making in only standard wire only. In some special case, special purpose only, they will go with only solid wire. Solid wires also in these days only they are preferring bus bars. Bus bars also like this. They will create more surface. Okay. In radio frequency, radio cables. In that radio cables, the bunch of the cables you can found in single cable. In this single cable, number of cores means 30 to 40 cores you can find in radio frequency cables. That is in big size, but in that size you can found more cores with separate insulation. Why? Because for avoid the skin effect. In this skin effect, if the frequency will increase, skin effect also will increase. Parallelly skin effect also increase. If frequency decrease, the effect of skin effect will be decrease. That's why in radio frequencies in kilohertz now, that's why they will go with very small conductors, and low frequency cables only they are preferring solid wire. Thank you very much for watching this video.